Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos, and in case you are new to here, my name is Fatah Bukar and this is my YouTube channel. If it's your first time watching this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel, share the video to all your friends on social and media platforms, and leave your comment in the comment section. Okay guys, Somalia is political sliding. Somalia's politics is sliding into ruin. Okay, so public outrage have been rising sharply across Somalia and abroad. In citizens, journalists, intellectuals, international media have been reporting, discussing widespread corruption that's going on in Somalia right now. Okay, collapsing institutions, economic deteriorating, deepening injustice. The state, the abuse of state power level, state has reached an intolerable level. Okay, so the abuse of state power, guys, have reached an intolerable level. Okay, so public resources are pillaged with reckless, impunity. Nepotism is no longer concealed, guys. Okay, it's present, aggressive and broadly defended. So sad, my friends. Okay, while government officials and politicians live in a glaring luxury, okay, ordinary citizens sinks into deeper poverty. So sad, guys. Okay, governance has degenerated. Okay, and human rights violations continue. Okay, and guys, human rights violations have become routine political instruments of political control. So sad, guys. Somalia, this is, what I'm talking about is Somalia, guys. Yes, the federal parliament has deteriorated. Okay, the federal parliament has become expectable, carried insults, carried legislations, without intelligent debate. Rigorous stampede legislation is carried out without without intelligent debate and discipline, guys. Okay, the speaker of the upper house, Abdi Hashi, has openly declared that he has given up on Somalia's future. Okay, and choosing to remain silently, effectively abandoning his constitutional rights. That is Somalia, guys. Okay, the corruption is rampant at all institutions. Okay, it's widespread. Okay, and the parliament has deteriorated. It has become expectable insults. Okay, carry out legislations, without intelligent debate. Okay, human rights violations become routine, guys, instruments of political control. So sad. While the ordinary citizens live in a poverty, sink deeper poverty, guys. Okay, and so-called politicians enjoy and live in a glaring luxury. Okay, with the cool price in Mogadishu, guys. They are happily relaxing, enjoying. So sad, guys. That's what's happening in Somalia, and what's really, guys, is so painful, so frustrating. And international media and local journalists also, and civil society groups, and mainstream media, and the public at large, have been talking openly and discussing, really, guys. Okay, and that is what's been causing serious concern, among the society. It is the abuse of state power that has reached an intolerable level, guys. So what I'm expecting right now is, if this abuse of power continues, then I think what we're expecting right now is demonstrations, okay, because when the heat is high, okay, if you boil water, so I think now the boiling point, this has been heating, okay, there has been heating going on, so the public has been facing oppressions, okay, and serious threats, okay, from the government, okay. They have been constant looting is on public land grabbing, okay, so call it. I mean, if you like. So and who's doing that? So government official is doing that, okay, because they are handing over to a so-called business man. So if this continues, guys, I think that the only thing that we are waiting so far is just for demonstrations that will ultimately and finally turn into a violent demonstrations, okay. So that's the only thing that Mogadishu now is waiting for, unless international community interfere in this and sit down, talk with the current president Hassan Sheikh Mahmoud to strongly push him to start discussions with stakeholders, okay, and civil society groups, okay. The upcoming election should be inclusive. That inclusivity is the only solution right now on the table, no other discussions, okay. So I don't know. So guys, it seems now the president is planning really to hijack the election. So and there has been warning and he has been ignored, okay. All the international warning and alerts that he has been constantly receiving, okay, and coming into his office, okay. So I think it's a time for international community to interfere in this and openly talk to the president, okay, and pressure him to sit down and talk with his fellow friends, okay, the stakeholders, okay. This has to be the election issue has to be a Somali-led issue, okay, and that has to be a process, a Somali-led process, okay. But the international community should be only observers, okay. They will only focus on how the election is being conducted, or how the election process really will be going on. So we're expecting really free and fair election, okay. So that's what we're expecting, but it seems now the person still is neglecting intentionally the alerts and the messages, okay, that's been coming to him from international community and local politicians, okay. But anyway, guys, it remains to be seen where this ends. But Somalia, no one knows where it's heading, but it remains to be seen where this ends, okay. Thank you very much. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, share the video to all your friends on social media platforms, okay. And don't hesitate, please don't hesitate to drop your comment in the comment section. I would love to see all your comments popping up in the comment section, and I promise I will respond to you promptly, guys, okay. My name is Fatah Bukar, and this is my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace and love. Cheers. Bye bye. Take care. Stay in touch. Maintain good friends, full on lifestyle, and true happiness will sure to come your way. So the issue in Somalia, guys, right now, okay, it's like a notification throughout this chart machine flies you back, okay. So we'll see if this election issue and this win-win situation, or if it turn into a violent demonstrations, okay. That's the only thing we're waiting now, unless international intervention is being carried out, okay. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.